My buddy Nick is here helping me do the kitchen. Amber's back from St. Louis, and we're having a light lunch, as you can see. Bush light, it looks like. Been working on the kitchen all day, and Nick here is really good at the finish work and the crown molding. It's looking really good, which you'll see in the video here later. Nick is owner operator of Tri-State Outdoor Products in Donaldson, Iowa, and probably the premium vinyl supplier in our area. So if you need any vinyl work done, decks, fences, anything like that, then look up Tri-State Outdoor Products. Really good company, good family-owned company, and they do really nice work. So give him a shout if you have any needs. We are going to eat lunch here and get back to work.